Ka'b ibn Ashraf. He was one of the Jewish leaders, and he would pretend to be somebody who would friend Muslims, and at the same time he would always be favoring the Jews as well. And he was a corrupt person as well, would be happy to take bribes and make decisions anytime as they want. Next to him, or close to his place, were two individuals, a person who had accepted Islam. He was a wealthy person, but again, he was on the sidelines right now. He wasn't sure which ways. And the other was a Jew who was a poor person, and the way their lands were set was that the poor was on the upper side and the rich was on the lower side. His land was supposed to get watered first and his afterwards. However, what the rich person, a Muslim but a hypocrite, he had done was that he had made a bypass to cross the poor person's land and get water directly into his land. So it was a water dispute, not industry, but a local water dispute in Medina Munawwara that had started taking place over there. To solve this problem, they decided, let's go and take the information put this matter across to the leaders and take their opinion on it. So he saw the Muslim who was an hypocrite. He said that let me suggest the name of Ka'b bin Ashraf, because A is a Jew, so the Jew would feel comfortable going to him. And in his heart he was that, Ka'b bin Ashraf, thoda sa main khilaunga, thoda sa wo khayega, to mamla set ho jayega and I'll be able to get away with it. The Jew said that this guy is a Muslim, Ka'b bin Ashraf is a thing. Why don't I suggest to him that let's go to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and get the decision from him? And he was comfortable that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would give the right decision. So he said that, look, why go to Ka'b bin Ashraf? You're a Muslim and you have Rasulullah here with you. Let's go to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and take the decision from him. He said, no, we don't bother Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam with such petty matters. It's such a small thing. We can take it to the local leader. And why? Then he said to him that, what kind of Muslim are you? Aren't you, ashamed of yourself that the Prophet is with you and you don't want to go to him? So he said that, look, now if I resist, the cat will be out of the bag. Everybody would know that, what my true intentions are. He said, okay, let's go to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, he still comforted himself कि मैं जाके बस रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के सामने बड़ा रोना रोऊंगा कि मैं जो है मेरी ज़मीन ख़राब हो रही है ये वो, and let's see what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say. So he went to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he presented a very sorry picture. He said, Rasulullah, after a very hard, coming into Islam was a difficult thing. A lot of financial difficulties hit me, but Allah made a way. Now I have this land, and this person wants to stop the water. If the water goes to his land, nothing will come out for me and I will be in all disadvantage and this and that. Rasulullah listened to him, he listened to the other party. He said that the right is his, let the water come through him, and he advised them that, you be just water your thing and let the water pass through and go on to his fields as well. So the case was closed, the decision was given in the favor of the Jew. Now this person, he said that, okay, Rasulullah has taken this decision, but let me involve Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu into it. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu is strict on non-Muslims. When I will tell him the story, he would immediately take my side and will give the decision in my favor. So he went to Rasulullah Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu and he gave a very sad story and, kept on highlighting that, how being a Muslim is so important to him and how he is suffering because of that and how all the economic difficulties have come for him and this is his only way of earning now, and if this goes away, people will make fun of him that Islam has done this to you and this. So he kept on using the words which he knew would trigger Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu instantly said that, yes, you should get the water first. So the Jew, he said that, I respect what you're saying, but I just want to tell you that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has already heard this matter and he has given the decision in my favor. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu turned back to the Muslim guy, the hypocrite, and he said to him that, what's the story? He said, yes, but I never, because of the aura of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I never got to present my case to him, and I just, fumbled on my words and the thing never got presented to him properly. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't know the whole picture just as you know right now. So that's why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Umar radiallahu ta'ala said, okay, let me just come. Umar radiallahu ta'ala went in, he said, I have a decision. He took out his sword. Who? The hypocrite. He said, the one who, after getting a decision from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, seeks another decision just to get in his favor, doesn't have the right to live, is done with, away with. That was Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Now, chaos broke. Like Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu has done qatl of a Muslim. He has done qatl of without any reason. The guy's family were all over the place and they were like, we want qisas. Umar radiallahu ta'ala should be handed over to us for qisas. I mean, he has done murder of a Muslim for no reason. So this was quite a situation. Then came the ayats of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, and this is in Surah An-Nisa, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that Alam tara ila alladhina yaz'umuna annahum amanu bima unzila ilayka wa ma unzila min qablik. That have you not seen those who claim that they have believed in what has been revealed to you and what has been revealed before you? يريدون أن يتحاكموا إلى الطاغوت وقد أمروا أن يكفروا به. That they want to take their disputes to the taghut while they are ordered to reject it. Taghut means, who goes against the orders of Allah and His Messenger, who does not follow, who is a nafarman to an extreme level ki jaake nafarmani karne wala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that they want to take their disputes to taghut. उन लोगों के पास लेकर जाना चाहते हैं जो कि वैसे ही हद से गुजरे हुए हैं. Meaning Ka'b bin Ashraf over here, and while they have been told not to do so, right? وَيُرِيدُ الشَّيْطَانُ أَن يُدِلَّهُمْ دَلَالًا بَعِيدًا. And shaitan wants to mislead them to a remote wrong way. And when it is said to them, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the ayah that we started this entire discussion with, that وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالُوا إِلَى مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ وَإِلَى رَسُولٍ. That when it is said to them, come to Allah and what has been revealed to the Messenger, رَأَيْتَ الْمُنَافِقِينَ يَسُدُّونَ عَنْكَ سَدُودًا. You will see the hypocrites turning away from you in aversion. So these ayahs got revealed to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it was becoming clear to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that this person had ulterior motives in his heart, and this person was not wanting to come to what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam wants to say, because وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالُوا إِلَى مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ وَإِلَى الرَّسُولِ. That come to what Allah has been revealed to Allah and to the Rasul, you will find that they run away from it in aversion. They want to go away from it in aversion.